This. You walk into a room, a new job, a new class, a new country. Someone smiles at you and says, "Hi, I don't think we've met. Who are you?" And then, silence. Your heart is beating fast. Your mind goes completely blank. You know exactly who you are in your own language, but in English, nothing. Just buffering.
Oh, Emma, that story is so real. I remember my first day at an international university. A student walked up to me, smiled, and said, "Hey, what's your name? Where are you from?" And I just stared at him like a statue, a very confused statue.
But guess what? Today, on Learn How to Learn English, we are going to change that story forever. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to introduce yourself in English with confidence, with personality, and with a smile. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Learn How to Learn English. I am Emma, and I am so happy you chose to spend your time learning with us today.
And I am Alix. Hello, everyone. Hello. Emma, I have to say, today's topic is one of my absolute favorites.
Really? Why?
Because introducing yourself, it's the beginning of every relationship, every friendship, every job, every adventure. It's the very first story you tell someone about yourself. And today, we teach our listeners to tell that story beautifully in English.
That was actually really beautiful, Alix.
I know. I surprise myself sometimes.
Okay, before we start, if you are new here, welcome to the family. Please subscribe to Learn How to Learn English. We are here every week with lessons that are simple, fun, and, most importantly, actually useful. Subscribe right now. Go ahead. We'll wait. Okay, let's tell your story.
Let me tell you a story. Her name was Sofia. She was 24 years old. She had just moved to London alone for the very first time. She spoke English a little, just a little. On her first day, her new boss introduced her to the whole team, 20 people, all looking at her. And he said, "Sofia, please, introduce yourself."
What did Sophia do? She took a deep breath, she smiled, and she said, "Hi. Hello, everyone. My name is Sofia. I am from Brazil. I am 24 years old. I am a graphic designer and I love my work. In my free time, I enjoy painting and listening to music. I am very excited to be here, and I hope we can become great colleagues, and maybe great friends too."
The whole room smiled. One sentence, one introduction, and Sophia went from a stranger to someone everyone wanted to know.
That is the power of a good introduction. And today, we teach you exactly how to do it, step by step.
Okay, step one, the most important step, your name. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alix, I know my own name. Yes, but in English, how you say your name matters.
There are two ways to say your name in English. Listen carefully. Way number one. My name is Emma. My name is Sophia. My name is James. Way number two. I am Emma. I am Sophia. I am James.
Both are correct. Both are perfect. Now, here is a little tip from me. When I introduce myself, I always say my name twice. Like this. Hi, I am Alix. Alix. Why? Because people remember names better when they hear them 2 times. Try it. It works. Trust me.
Now, pause this video right now and practice saying your name in English. Out loud. Just say it. My name is... Go ahead. We are listening. Perfect. You just took your first step. After she said her name, she said something very important. I am from Brazil. Those 3 words, I am from, are some of the most powerful words in any introduction because they tell people your story, your roots, your home.
In English, you can say, I am from Pakistan. I am from Nigeria. I am from Japan. I come from Mexico. I come from Egypt. I am from and I come from both mean exactly the same thing. Both are perfect.
Alix, where are you from?
I am from the United States, but honestly, I feel like I'm from everywhere I have ever loved.
That was very deep, Alex. Now, listener, where are you from? Say it out loud. I am from... Say your country. Say your city. Make it yours. Your story starts with where you come from, and that story is beautiful.
Next, your age. In English, we say, I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 19 years old. Simple, easy, beautiful.
Alex, how old are you?
Emma, you know the rule. You never ask someone their age. Fine. I am a very handsome age.
Perfect answer. Now, you practice. Say your age in English. I am years old. Easy, right? Remember Sofia? After she said where she was from, she said something that made everyone immediately respect her. I am a graphic designer, and I love my work. Not just what she does, but how she feels about it. That is what makes an introduction memorable.
In English, you can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I work in a hospital. I work in a school. I study at university. I study English every day.
Alex, what do you do?
I am an English teacher, and honestly, I love what I do. Every student who learns one new word, that makes my whole day. That is why I am here with you right now.
Now think, what do you do? Are you a student? A teacher? A doctor? Say it out loud. I am a, or I work in, or I study. Whatever you do, say it proudly. In English, right now.
Okay, Emma, now we get to the best part. The part that makes you, you.
What is it?
Your personality. Your hobbies. What makes you special? What do you love?
Yes, this is where your introduction stops being a list of facts and starts being a story.
Think about it like this. If someone asks you, tell me about yourself, and you say, I am Ahmed. I am 22. I am a student. That is okay. But if you say, I am Ahmed. I am 22. I am a student, and I am passionate about photography. I love capturing moments that people forget to notice. Now that is a story. Now I want to know you.
3 magic phrases for hobbies. I love, I enjoy, I am passionate about. I love reading books. I enjoy cooking for my family. I am passionate about learning new languages.
For me, I love teaching, obviously. I love coffee, very much. And I love making people feel like they can do something they thought was impossible, like speaking English.
Close your eyes for just 1 second. Think about what makes you happy. What do you do when no one is watching? What do you love? Now open your eyes and say it in English. I love, I enjoy, I am passionate about. That is your story, and it is worth telling. Okay, the moment we have all been waiting for. Let us put Sofia's introduction together one more time, slowly, so you can follow.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sofia. Sofia. I am from Brazil, a beautiful country with amazing food and even more amazing people. I am 24 years old. I am a graphic designer. And honestly, I love every single day of my work. I have a small family, my parents and one brother who is definitely my mother's favorite. In my free time, I enjoy painting because colors make me feel free. And I love listening to music, especially when it rains. I am very happy to be here, and I truly hope we can become great friends.
Alix, that was not just an introduction. That was a story. Did you feel that? Short sentences, simple words, but full of personality, full of life. Now, it is your turn. Pause this video and say your introduction. Your name, where you are from, your age, what you do, what you love. Take your time. Say it slowly. Say it with a smile. This is your story. Tell it beautifully.
Quick review. Repeat after me out loud.
My name is. I am. I am from. I come from. I am years old. I am a student / teacher / engineer / doctor. I work in. I study at. I have a big / small family. I live with my parents. I live alone. I love. I enjoy. I am passionate about. I am very happy to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Say those phrases every single day. In the mirror, in the shower, while you are walking to school or work. Talk to yourself in English. It is not crazy. It is called practice. And practice is how Sofia went from a nervous girl in a new city to someone the whole room wanted to know.
Before we go, we want to say something to you. You are here, right now, learning English. That takes courage. Maybe you made mistakes today. Maybe some words felt difficult. Maybe you felt shy to speak out loud. That is okay. Sofia was nervous too, and look what happened when she spoke anyway.
Every word you learn is a door that opens. Every sentence you practice is a story waiting to be told. We are so proud of you, truly, every single one of you.
Now, we have a challenge for you. Go to the comments right now and write your introduction in English, just like Sofia did. Your name, where you are from, and one thing you love. We read every comment, and we genuinely cannot wait to learn your story.
And if this episode helped you, share it with one friend who is learning English. One share can change someone's story. Just like Sofia's story changed the moment she opened her mouth and spoke.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep telling your story. Bye, everyone!